Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing great. I think there is a light coming in here. So yeah, I hope everyone is doing great, guys. It's Monday, and actually, is that CPI week. So the market will be reacting to that actually. So I'm expecting the market to give us some very nice moves. But anyways, from tomorrow, I think I won't be available for live sessions. So that's why you're supposed to maybe join. You will just receive my signals in the team. Remember, we had this special actually for 20 people. I think now we left with only 10 people to join. So reserve your spot if you want to be part of the team. It's only $39 lifetime signals, which means you only pay once. You're saving 60%. You can just WhatsApp me there or check the link below. You can get my WhatsApp link and click that. Then we can talk from there. So now today, as it's Monday, I will be starting with the EURJPY because I think we're going to get some very nice reversals from this. If you are new to this channel, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening here is we can easily see that yes, the market was seriously flying to the upside. You can see very nice that, let me change the color, let's make this green, or let's yellow is much better. So you can easily see that yes, the market was doing what? The market was flying. But as you see, the market started to like seriously go crazy, pushing to the upside. Now slowly we can easily see that the market is trying to push lower. I'm expecting the market to still go lower, but I don't think that is going to just happen within an hour. But we can see that the market is already high, and I think the market will actually try to give us those nice sell positions. I'm expecting the market to push lower. On top there, I can easily see that we had a nice support area, which the market broke out. And now I can even see that the market is connecting very nice. Let me just go on a smaller time frame. I was scalping this actually now. I will be sending the signal. But the thing is, I was scalping this because I thought maybe it was already late for me to send the signal. You can see that. So on top here, you can see that we have a very nice structure. Actually, it's a bearish structure, which shows that it's pushing to the lowest side. This thing can reverse very quick. That's why I did not actually want to send it now. It might be actually not safe for everyone. So you can see it's reversing, but I'm expecting it to still push lower. Maybe the market can break this area of a support, then I can say let's look for a continuous sell. I think that will happen as the market is been actually on a very crazy bullish momentum. You can see that. I think the market will be trying to recover. The market will be trying to recover this crazy push to the upside. You can see that this was a crazy push, so I'm expecting the market to do the same. Yeah, sorry about that. It's early, it's very cold, so even the sinuses, they're taking over. So let's go to the next one, which is GBPJPY. JPY, what's really happening? Quite similar to actually EURJPY. The market has been flying to the upside. I hope you did watch my weekly analysis. You can see that the market is actually still pushing to the upside, you see. But what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting a very nice reversal. But it seems like the market is still very, 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 very strong on this bullish momentum. We can see the market is breaking out, which means I just need to go closer there. I don't think you're going to see that. If I go closer, you will see that the market is actually breaking out. The market already actually, you can see we had a support, very nice one by the way. The market respected that. We had a resistance and the market broke out. After the breakout, we see several retests around this area, and now it seems like the market is trying to push to the lower side. So for me, or for us to be safe, we can say, since the market created something here as the support, for us, why don't we just wait for the market to break that area? Then we can say, let's take a sell. Because if we just jump on a sell, the market can just come around this area and bounce back. You see, the market can do that, and we don't really want to fall for this type of moves. We want to wait for the market to break this area. I think this is supposed to be visible here. You can see the rejection was like seriously aggressive, and this actually is trying to keep us out of this sell, because this sell can become very aggressive and it's actually easy money. But with these reversals, they will keep you out, because once you enter, the market reverse very quick and touches your stop loss. And maybe this might happen twice, and I don't think you will go for the third time. And the time you're not going to go there, it's where the market is going to melt. That's how the market does. Last week we lost with this, I think maybe twice. We did sell in a smaller profit, boom, the market pushed up, something like that. But at the end of the day, we understand that one way or another, the market will actually sell, but we don't know when. You see, so we have to wait for that breakout. So now what's really happening? This is gold. What's really happening on gold on 4 hours time frame? We're still actually on that uptrend. You can see we have a nice support area. But on top there, we also have a structure that shows us that the market is on a wedge structure. So the market is actually playing between the structures. So we're waiting for the market to break. We are waiting for the market to break out before we look for something like buying or selling. What I liked is last week the market tried to break that area, but it just touched that and did what? Bounce back aggressively. But it seems like the market is going back again, which is something that I actually like. Remember, we have CPI. Actually, this is CPI week, so the market will be trying to fluctuate because people, they think maybe inflation is going to go up, maybe inflation is going to go lower. But for those who don't know actually or don't understand inflation, I will be talking about it at the end of this video. So on gold, I'm expecting the market to break this resistance before I will look for a buy. But we have two resistance. It means the market has to break this horizontal and this diagonal structure first, as there are both resistance. So I will say, okay, now I'm ready to buy. Or maybe the market has to come around the support, then I will say, let me just take a buy. Or maybe the market is deciding maybe to push lower. So it will depend. It will depend actually what will happen on Wednesday. What will happen on Wednesday, because this is a very, 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 very important high impact news that is going to control the interest rates. If maybe inflation is going lower, we expecting the market the interest rates to be paused, or maybe they can even cut. You see, and that is going to be good for the market, for the gold, NASDAQ, US30s. And we like to buy, by the way. So now it's Monday. Let's relax and see what's really happening. The market might play here. Maybe we'll see a very nice push on Wednesday, you see. So I'm still bullish, but I'm waiting for a breakout or for the market to come around the support area. I hope you get that. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? You can easily see that we have a sell pending order there. The market is actually giving us this wedge structure. And guess what? The market just broke out of that structure. And I'm expecting the market to push lower. So now the market might play games, especially when we expect a high impact news like that. The market can still sell, but we might have enough rejections. At the end of the day, you might lose. So it means don't be aggressive. Don't fight the market. You see, everything can happen, especially when we're expecting the news. So mostly, I don't really like to trade like this 2 days before the economic news. I'm not going to be active that much. I will wait for CPI, or I can even trade that CPI, the spikes, and see if maybe I can get it right. But after that, what I like is we're going to have the figures, and those figures, they're going to help us if we're going to buy or we're going to sell. I'm talking about whether NASDAQ, gold, or anything. You see, please guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. We left with only 10 people to get this special. We left with only 10 people. $39 lifetime signals. You will just receive unlimited signals, guys. Unlimited signals for $39. You can get that. and you're saving 60%. So let me know, because if this 10 people, if we cover that, this price is going to go higher, actually to $150. So yeah, it's up to you. By the way, it's up to you. So what do we see here? We are on NASDAQ. We can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside, but it seems like the market is breaking out. You see where the market was pushing up, there was also a support area. The market had this support area, and for quite some time now, we never saw a breakout. And with that longer candlestick, I think maybe it's 4 candlesticks, and these are 4 hours time frames. So let's go closer there and try to see what's really happening. Let's zoom. What I hate is the market can actually reverse several times. So you can see that we have a proper support here. The market broke out. I also had a smaller support there. So below that, we have a sell pending order. So we will wait and see if maybe the market will continue selling or not. But I'm expecting the market to sell maybe up to that Wednesday before we get the news. Then from there, that is going to be a decider whether the market is going to push up or not, but we will see what we can do. So for now, since the market broke out of this support, since you can see that the market was respecting this resistance, it seems like the market wants to push the market to go lower, because at the same time, the market has been aggressively going to the upside. You can see we never had any aggressive reversal for after this bullish momentum. We might have maybe a little bit of a sell before we see the market pushing up, but it will depend if they're going to increase the rates or not. It will depend. I hope you understand that. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I did not really want to make this video very long, and as I will repeat, there is a $39 special. Another thing is, I forgot to say, guys, if maybe I only need 3 people on this one, I'll be like, I can manage your account for $250. We don't actually split the profits. You pay upfront fee of $250. Then I can trade your account for 3 to 4 months, then up to actually 90 days. So if maybe you have an account, then yeah, then talk to me if maybe you feel like you don't actually have enough time to trade on yourself, or maybe you don't really have that confidence. So I can try to trade for you, and just know that the profit is yours. We don't actually share, as you're going to pay the fee of $250. So if your account is bigger enough, then let me know. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Remember, from tomorrow, this week, we're not going to have a serious live session, and I wanted, but I won't be available. I'll be busy with other things. So I hope you understand, and I'm very, very sorry for that. So anyways, let's call it a day. I will see you later on. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bow.